Hi, it's Kevin from the CI team. So the drill press here I use occasionally, and every time I do I get frustrated because what really bugs me is that first of all it's a mess on here when I come, and I never know what kind of jig is on top of the table, and the jig that is here right now, it has screws missing, so it can't really be used properly to hold down what I'm working on. And then there's jigs on the floor in front of the machine, and there's never clamps around here that I might need to hold something down. The bits are scattered everywhere, and they're thrown into drawers like this and like this. So we're searching for bits and tools and everything. So I'm going to see what I can do to start cleaning this up and making this a usable workspace. Okay, it's Kevin back again, and what we have here is a new drill press station. So we started off with cleaning out all the drawers, which were quite hideous, and now we have only what we need, if we need this much, and items are labeled. So we don't waste all that motion searching for drill bits, which we had many duplicates of. And the other main thing here is we changed the system, how we clamp this. Before, what we had is clamps of various sizes, jigs of various sizes, and I actually witnessed an operator here spending about 10-15 minutes just searching for a way to clamp something so he could do his 2 minutes of work, which is a complete waste of time. So how this works now is we got removable clamps. They can be repositioned. All we have to do is line this up, and there, we're done. No more fooling around with clamps. A few of the other things is we put the chuck key right here where it needs to be, and hung up the cord so it's not on the ground. Overall, much better workstation, easy to get to, easy to use, and big improvement. Oh, hang on. And we also got table brush here because there was nothing here available to clean the machine. So, that's it.